Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is while you're watching this. I'm just about to go out for a ride, so I'm just going to do a quick review on a service rather than an item. If, like me, you've managed to get yourself a broken one of these, a Zumo 400, and you want to turn it into a working one, and you, like me, you're far more at home wielding one of these than one of these, and had a go and cocked it up, shall we say, because I was a bit cat-handed with a ribbon cable. You can send it off to a place in Peterborough. The SatNav repair service, send your item in, they'll tell you if they can fix it, they'll fix it and they'll send it back to you. You can get the parts on Amazon, but like I said, I'm a bit cat-handed when it comes to the finer things in life, such as tiny little torque screws and ribbon cables. You need a hand the size of a 3-year-old to be able to work the clips. So I sent it off to them. Like I say, a very quick reply. You get an online quote first, send it in, get it back, job done, all working. If they can't fix it, you don't pay anything. Highly recommend the service. It was recommended to me by Martin Field, and they turned 2 non-working GPS units, one of which was given to me by my mate Fred. The processor had gone, and they swapped the cases over, put a new screen in, and job's a good one.